Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S coming here with another reaction. Today we're here with SilkBoss. Song called Mommy No Worry. So you don't know, it's SilkBoss of the bad reality / emotional / real life song then, right? So we're here with another one. Mommy No Worry. So the last time we hear him put Mommy in one song, it become a hit. Mommy, me sorry. Bury me out now, valley, cause man can't make it and me can't run from me. So we're here with Mommy No Worry. SilkBoss, look up yourself. Alright, so we're gonna find another one here, and here with the 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐶. Let's go. Ice Cream Records, big up. Bray. Scorpion Entertainment, what your boss? I look like you know one. I look like you know one forward, sir. What going on, sir? B-side Records.
Yeah. And that golf incident, there wasn't that. But Morito, he never make it break.
Ah, that's a clip from Jeffrey podcast. Big up Jeffrey. Let's be honest podcast. But
and that golf incident, there wasn't that. But Morito, he never make it break.
Can't break me. You know why I say can't break me? Because for me, as a little youth that grew up, I been a get fight. So you see when I forward in the game and I get fight, yeah man, it's like me know so I go get it, man.
So the boss don't prepare him, don't condition him mind for no say yo, fighting I go on because he been a get that him used to that from day one. So anything, fighting I go on, fuck you I go on. So yo, Silk bad like see. We know say Silk I go drop some bump on that one, you know. So I'm excited, let's go.
Tell me, I tell them Fight is the most favorite human being, you know. At the time do things though.
Sure.
Me tell mommy no worry. Things take a little time now and do it in a hurry. Pain when I feel all my life and my tears will the ocean.
Rude. Take off my glass. Me concentrate better. Rude. Yeah.
Fight is the most favorite human being, you know.
I'm gonna just say, Jeffrey, it look like a you inspired one still in a dog because watch the interview with you and him and yeah, make him know how touching him song them is and him one of your favorite artists them. So you have something to do on a dog. Real talk
though. The things though.
Sure. Yeah.
Me tell mommy no worry. Things take a little time now and do it in a hurry.
Yeah.
Pain when I feel all my life and my tears will the ocean. Wake up this morning, thank God for glory.
Alright. But just want to touch on something. I'm gonna be devil's advocate here. Why only never plug in something in the mic like this? And the same mic we have the same mic, so I know say that not the plug-in. That not plug-in. Sorry. SilkBoss, me sorry. That might be the plug-in said. But I know say it's a music video, the thing shot already, but me did have to point that out because I am like that. Sorry. Rude.
Wake up this morning, thank God for glory. My third eye is now open. Nah, accept failure.
Bumbleclot. Nah, accept failure.
Wake up this morning, thank God for glory. My third eye is now open. Nah, accept failure. Me I try till me I give way down.
Yo, me not give up until every last breath left my body, brother. Me I try. If that not work, me I try that. If that not work, me I try that. We all feel that something at some point in our life, but it's how we recover from that. It's how we pick up yourself, dust yourself off, and keep it moving. You understand? So SilkBoss is here with another reality one, dog. Like, no joke, bad.
Me I try till me I give way down.
Yeah.
Amount of struggle when me feeling in life, but me walk with fear. Father God just guide and watch me night darkest day. Me alone night darkest place. One day man I go make it in a life and have a house and a car and a wife.
One day, man, I gonna make it in a life and have a house and a car and a wife. Foundation. House. Car, mobility. A wife, have your back. You understand? Companion. You don't know. Yo.
One day, man, I gonna make it in a life and have a house and a car and a wife.
That is it.
Yeah. Bad mind and envious, no wife is still strive. Them grudge you wanna pray for take your life. But mommy tell me, say God prevails. And over my life, no devil ship cannot sail. To the top, to the top. At the stars, them me I am for.
Rude. Come on, man.
But mommy tell me, say God prevails. And over my life, no devil ship cannot sail. To the top, to the top. At the stars, them me I am for. Accept failure. Me I try and try and try till me heart give way down. Amount of struggle I'm feeling alive, but me walk with fear. Father God just guide her, watch me night darkest place. Me alone night darkest day. Me growing in a place where dog just a name dog, one shirt, one shots. Mommy can't find no rent, figure the landlord.
Man, so we growing in a place where dog just a name dog, so basically everybody for themselves. And that's how I grow too, so I know. One shots, one shirt. I never did have other shots. I did make a shots. Out of my khaki trousers, just bust off the foot. Even when the body tear out. You know what? I still wear that. You know what? Yeah, I been through that. Honestly, I been through that. One shoes, the shoes that for real go away. Church, because I never advertise me the Africa church. If any little party I keep, there's so. And school. So I been through them, I know that. You see me?
Name dog, one shirt, one shots. Mommy can't find no rent, figure the landlord.
That me never got through still. That me never got through still because we did have our own family thing, you know? So yeah, that different.
Just a name dog, one shirt, one shots. Mommy can't find no rent, figure the landlord. And JPS cut off the light gone. And me look yesterday and me no see the pipe on.
JPS cut off the light. JPS, Jamaica Pussy Hole Service. Them cut off the light. But yet still at the end of the month, them are still got to ask for light bill. Yo, light go enough for Jamaica, you know, dog? Light go enough and them still got to ask for them money at the end. You go outside, you turn on your pipe, nothing, dry. Dry.
JPS cut off the light gone. And me look yesterday and me no see the pipe on. Some beg God shine like a light cause something I go on and it don't feel right. But from me can't move and have life. Dog me I try and me no care why time. Tell mommy no worry.
No.
Things take a little time now and do it in a hurry. Pain when me feel all my for me tears really ocean.
Yo, and we know how him feel about him mother. We know how him feel about him mother. Him really, basically, he might do this for himself, but him also do it for mommy too. You see me? Yeah, he might do it for himself, but him also doing it for mommy also. You know? Yeah, man.
Wake up this morning, thank God for glory. My third eye is now open. Nah, accept failure.
Man, love this.
Me I try and try and try till me heart give way down. Amount of struggle I'm feeling alive, but me walk with fear. Father God just guide her, watch me night darkest days. Me alone night darkest place.
Big up that girl who sing. Big up backup singer. Bad. Big up the harmony. Bad.
Alone in the darkest days.
She carry some sick harmony there.
Alone in the darkest days. Yeah. Be alone in the darkest days.
Yo, we have to give that girl a credit. She sing some harmony with bad. She can sing.
Be alone in the darkest days. Yeah. Be alone in the darkest days.
Man, I know says that it sang this, you know. Man, I'm not sure that no says that it sang this. Yes, man, you out your bad.
Check. Oh, next.
Ah, so it's the audition him forward. Okay. So him forward an audition. Oh, nothing. Because me the one that walk one so at the start of the video. So him forward one audition. And him did afraid to forward to the door. They must say, yo, come in, man. Come in. So him forward in and sing him song. And obviously them get up and say, yo, that is a hit song. So we find a star. You know, we find a star. So this someone that come in and was sing, shoot, goat, whatever I must say. They must, yo, next. Yo, we like this. Yeah, man.
What? Check. Oh, next.
What? Yo, this bad. Yo, Silk, big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself, my fam. Ice Queen, big up yourself. Yo, Silk, I wouldn't mind seeing Silk doing some international collabs with some singers, not any rappers, singers. Like some John Legend and them, man. That's where I want to see Silk, bro. Silk talent is just raw. Brother. Like, the man sings song, touch you. And that is what music is about. Once you can relate, that is what music is about. Like, literally, dog. Silk, big up yourself, bro. Emotions are high in this song. I love it. You see me? Another hit song, bro. Another hit song. It's bad. If you enjoy that one and I want to see more from your G, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you're new, and I will definitely see you in the next one. You know? Yeah, man.